Hello friends. In this video I am going to demonstrate a simple and working method that will enable you to unlock Hotstar Premium on your computer without having to take username and password from someone. So without much further ado, let's get started. To follow this particular video, you need to have two extensions installed onto whatever browser you use. The first extension is a cookie editor that will help you edit any kind of cookies that Hotstar generates. And the second one is a request blocker that will help you block some HTTP requests should there be a need of them. With this, you also need a cookie file, an example of which is provided in one of the links given in the description below. So once you have these three prerequisites set up with your system, we are good to go. So the first thing that we are going to do is copy the cookie file that I have provided here in the link, the first link that you have. I'll copy this, go to the cookies, see all, delete all the cookies that are generated by Hotstar, try to import this JSON and do a reload. And without any username and password, I'm able to log in into Hotstar. Now let's try to watch some premium content. If we are lucky, this should work, but we are not really lucky. So more than one premium video is being requested from this account. So this is checked by an API call that is made to Hotstar servers, Hotstar APIs. We can block that request. So the API call that is being made is a URL which is provided as the second link in the description of this video. You go to your request blocker, paste the pattern over there, click on save, try to do a reload again, and what you see is that Hotstar premium content is now getting generated. Let's try to see some other videos. Avenger Infinity War. Spoilers. Oh, no, Steve Rogers. Yes. So looks like yes, we are able to see Hotstar premium content now. So once we have seen an example here of how to enable Hotstar premium on a system and how to solve the problem of more than one video being requested from a particular account. So if you find this video useful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such useful content. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.